Hi there, and welcome back to Day 5 of English Shadowing Challenge. I'm John, your English-speaking partner and coach. Let me ask you something. Have you ever gone to a restaurant and felt nervous to speak English? Maybe you wanted to order food, but you weren't sure what to say. You thought, how do I ask for a table? What if I say it wrong? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners feel the same way. But today, we'll fix that. In this episode, I'll teach you how to speak English confidently at a restaurant, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to ask for a table politely, check mark, ask for the menu, order food, drinks and dessert naturally, ask for the bill, and sound polite and confident every time. So, let's get started. Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant. A waiter smiles and says, "Good evening." Now it's your turn to speak. Here's what you can say. Repeat after me. Can we have a table for two, please? Yes, we have a reservation under the name John. Can we sit by the window, please? Go ahead. Repeat one of them now. Good. When the waiter says, "Please follow me," you can simply answer, "Thank you." Simple, right? And remember, the words please and thank you always make your English sound more polite. Now you sit down at your table. The waiter hasn't given you a menu yet, so you ask politely, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "Could we have the menu, please?" Let's say that together. Can I see the menu, please? Perfect. If you don't understand something on the menu, just ask, "What is this dish? What do you recommend?" Repeat after me. What do you recommend? Excellent. You sound natural already. Okay, now you're ready to order. There are two very polite ways to order in English. I would like. Can I have? For example, I would like the chicken, please. Or, can I have the pasta, please? Let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly. I would like the chicken, please. Can I have the pasta, please? You can also say, "Can I also have a salad?" Or, "Can I get a glass of water, please?" If the waiter asks, "Would you like something to drink?" you can answer, "Yes, I'd like orange juice, please." Or, "Just water, please." Let's pretend you're in a restaurant. There is a waiter in the restaurant.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Now you say your answer aloud. Maybe you said, "I would like the grilled fish, please." That's great.
Would you like something to drink?
Say your answer now. Good job. You're building real confidence with every line you speak. Now your main meal is finished. Time for something sweet. You can ask, "Can I see the dessert menu, please?" Or, "Do you have any desserts today?" Repeat that. "Can I see the dessert menu, please?" Nice. When you choose something, say, "I'd like a piece of chocolate cake." Or, "I'll have ice cream, please." Say it with me. I'd like a piece of chocolate cake. I'll have ice cream, please. Sweet and polite. Now you've finished your meal. You want to pay. Here's what you can say. "Can I have the bill, please?" "Could we have the check, please?" In the US, check means bill. Repeat after me. "Can I have the bill, please?" Perfect. When the waiter brings it, don't forget to say, "Thank you very much." Let's pause for a second. I want you to remember some polite English phrases. Repeat them after me. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. Could I? I'd like. That's all. Thank you. These are your magic words. They make you sound confident, kind, and natural. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, polite words always help. Now, I'll share a short, full restaurant conversation. Listen carefully and repeat the key parts after me.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Can we have a table for two, please?
Of course. Here's your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Sure. Here you go.
I'd like the chicken with rice, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like water, please.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, I'll have ice cream, please.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, sure.
Thank you very much. Now, let's practice the key phrases from that conversation one more time. Repeat after me. Can we have a table for two, please? Can I see the menu, please? I'd like the chicken with rice, please. I'll have ice cream, please. Can I have the bill, please? Excellent. You just spoke like a real English speaker at a restaurant. Here are 3 simple tips that will make your English sound smoother and more natural at restaurants. Tip 1. Always say please and thank you. They show respect and make your English sound friendly. Tip 2. Smile and speak slowly. You don't need to rush. Slow speaking shows confidence. Tip 3. Listen carefully. If you don't understand something, just ask, "Sorry, can you say that again?" That's perfectly polite. Let's do a short practice game. I'll ask a question and you answer in English. Ready? You walk into a restaurant. The waiter says, "Hello." What do you say? Maybe. Can we have a table for two, please? The waiter says, Are you ready to order? What do you say? I'd like the pasta, please. You want dessert? How do you ask? Can I see the dessert menu, please? You're ready to pay. What do you say? Can I have the bill, please? Excellent! You just practiced 4 real-life situations in English. Before we finish, I have a small challenge for you. Write in the comments. What food do you like to order at a restaurant? Pizza, pasta, cake. Use the phrase, I would like, or I usually order. Let's practice together. Remember, every time you listen, repeat, and speak out loud, your English gets stronger. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The next time you go to a restaurant, take a deep breath, smile, and speak. You already know what to say. And trust me, the more you practice, the faster you'll improve. Thanks for joining me today on English Podcast Boost. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day. I'm John. See you in the next episode.